When you're watching sports, it's definitely, especially soccer, any soccer fans out here tonight, soccer? Right, will you agree with me, it's much better to watch soccer with a Spanish commentator than a British commentator, right? It's the difference between a fiesta and a funeral. So here's my rendition of Spain is playing a game, and this is the Spanish commentator. Y Piquero va el balón. Se la pasa Ramos. Ramos corre hacia el centro de la cancha. Se la pasa Villa. Villa ve los defensores. Dispara. Goal! Exact same game. British commentator. And Piqué gets the ball. Passes to Ramos. Ramos makes it through the midfield. Passes to Villa. Villa shoots, scores, goal. Most exciting game I've ever seen.